Hello guys, what I'm going to show you today is how you can use the canvas editor inside of Leonardo AI, okay, to edit your images, okay? So the first step is actually going to open the editor. You can go here or you can go here. And now you need to upload an image. Let me clear my canvas history. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to upload an image, okay? Which you can do by going into here, upload image. Now, you're going to be able to select from your local computer, from your generations, which in my case, I don't have any, or from your community feed, which is what I'm going to do actually. And I'm going to select this little cat here. Let's click on confirm. And now, the first thing you will notice is actually that this image is larger than my canvas. Okay, so you can play around with this canvas size here to try to fit it as much as you can. All right. You can even, for example, modify this size here, but you might need a premium subscription for this. Okay, so just try to match it as best as you can here. In my case, I think I'm just going to keep this one here. All right. Let's try to fit the canvas so we can look at the cat. Okay. Now, the most important function here is probably the mask function. Okay, so in this case, what I would like to do is I would like to replace this cat with a dog. Okay, so I'm just going to draw a mask, which you can modify the size with this slider here. I'm just going to draw a mask around this cat here, like so. Okay, make sure that we actually erase a little bit of this. There you go. Perfect. Now, we're going to try to get a dog here. So let's say dog, beautiful dog, for example, right? And let's click on generate. And what this is going to do is going to try to generate a beautiful dog in this space that we gave, okay, that we drew the mask on. Okay, let's wait a couple seconds and let's see what it comes up with. Okay, so you have this first option, the second option, the third, and the fourth one. I actually like the second option better, so I'm just going to keep this one here. Okay, so actually this is the use that you're going to use the most inside of the canvas editor here. You can also add text by going into this button here and by just, adding text. Beautiful, which of course you can change the color of, like so. Okay, let's actually select the text, like so. Okay, and that's pretty much what you can do here. That's it. Thank you so much.